let's switch over to the embolic table so I can show everybody how we mix up the embolic. Okay. So right here we have our glue table. We set this up separate from our main table because we don't want any saline or blood. We typically change our gloves too to make sure that there's no blood here. In this shot glass, I have 1 cc of NBCA. This is 10 cc's of oil, Lipiodol. So we're going to basically make it 10-1. So I like to keep it 10-1. It just makes it easier. It's easier math. Let's put it that way. In groups of 10. That's just the way my brain works. So we mix it up, and that's it. That's our embolic. And so I'm going to take 1 cc aliquots. I'm going to lay them over here. I'm going to try to make sure that we keep this separate. We don't want to contaminate this with any blood or saline. I think this is probably enough to start with. We're not going to use all of this. And then in this bowl, we have our D5 water, which we're going to use as flushes. And there's lots of ways to inject glue, and people that do glue embolization in other territories know this. You could use an aliquot method, or you can just use a push method, which is generally what we do with PAE because we don't want to take too much time switching syringes because we don't have more than a couple seconds before we form a plug.